Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we have a fairly clear break of this triangle. At the same time, it is a little bit of a head and shoulders as well, a bit of a diagonal head and shoulders. I'm not really keen on diagonal head and shoulders, but there's the shoulder, there's the head, and there's the shoulder there. So the big question is, where are our levels? We've broken through the levels we were looking at yesterday. So we just need to adjust those levels, because that now means that this area is now in play. Okay, so this trend line can actually go now. I think that's done. And what you're probably going to find is the start of a channel. So there's the top of the channel, there's the bottom of the channel, and I would expect us to sort of pull back onto structure and either have a bit of a deeper pullback, or alternatively just go sideways and then up and then sideways up, possibly breaking the channel and then keep moving the channel higher and higher and higher. Why I say that is you have a little bit more structure sort of over here, if you can see that. Okay, so let's just get down to the different levels that we have. So at the moment, it's been a really solid move up. Wasn't really an opportunity to get in on this. There are a few gaps to the downside, which is a bit concerning. But so far, it's been a really good start to the earnings season. So standard rules apply at the moment. I'm looking for structure, I'm looking to buy, and I'm looking for pullbacks onto structure. So first bit of structure is going to be here at 44.31. We're hovering around 44.50 at the moment, but I do believe we need to pull back onto the structure here. Now you can see we've got, I want to just check on the lower time frames just now, but I think we've got a few other gaps down here. This is the daily gap that we've got from yesterday, and there was really no pullback onto structure. There's no opportunity to buy into this, and that's sometimes frustrating, especially when the day is moving like that and you can't get in on it. But that's the way the cookie crumbles, and if you don't stick to your rules, you often get burned. So at the moment, 44.31, that is the area I would like to see us come back to. I'd also settle for a pullback even further back, because we're quite far from the moving averages. Oscillators are extremely overbought at the moment, sorry. And so pullback would be nice. 44.20 is the other one. And then obviously 4,400 being a big round number, which would close some smaller gaps here, would also be something to pay attention to. I probably assume 15 minutes is going to be the way to do this. So I just want to see if we've got little gaps here. I think glaring. So, there's one right there. So this red bar here, you can see the red bar closed down. You can see there was a little bit of a gap up there. So that's definitely a gap. There's another gap on this level as well. See, red bar closed there, and then green bar. So what was the red bar's close? The red bar's close was 44.31.1. The next bar open was 44.31.2, so 0.1 of a gap. So there's definitely a little bit of a gap there. So we'll stick to that. Looking for pullback onto 44.31 at the moment. If that does happen and it does hold, then I'd expect another move up. Probably get capped by this trend line, to be honest, and then bounce back down. If we start breaking below this level, then I'd look at the next level, 44.18. If we break below 44.18, then I'll be looking at 4,400. 4,400 would come down to the 15-minute 155 EMA. So still more earnings coming out, and bigger earnings coming out next week and the week after. So as far as I'm concerned, I think we're on our way, and we just need to find the structure to buy into it. And you'll probably be able to hold for a few swing trades as well for a couple of days while we fly through earnings season. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you next week on Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend, and cheers for now.